Welcome to our video on the top 5 best 3D printers of 2025. 3D printer lets you turn digital models into real objects using plastic, resin, or metal. When buying, consider print size, material type, resolution, and ease of use. For beginners, choose user-friendly models. For professionals, look for high precision. Ideal for prototyping, DIY projects, education, and creative innovation. So, let's get started. Number 5. FLASHFORGE Adventure 5M 3D Printer. Speed, precision, and reliability. The FLASHFORGE Adventure is a high-performance 3D printer designed for speed, accuracy, and hassle-free printing. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, its advanced features ensure smooth and efficient 3D printing. Key features. Perfect first layer every time. The full auto one-click leveling system ensures a properly calibrated bed, delivering a flawless first layer for consistent, high-quality prints. Ultra-fast printing with precision. With a Core XY system offering 600mm/S max speed and 20,000mm/S2 acceleration, the Adventure 5M prints at incredible speeds without compromising quality. Vibration compensation for clean prints, reduces ghosting, and ensures smooth, detailed prints. The 50 watts heating nozzle reaches 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, minimizing wait time. Filament runout sensor and power recovery. Never worry about failed prints due to empty spools or power outages. The printer pauses and resumes printing seamlessly. Durable and versatile build. The open frame design ensures proper ventilation, while the removable PI steel plate supports multiple filaments, including PLA, PETG TPU, and carbon fiber variants. The FLASHFORGE Adventure 5M combines speed, reliability, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Experience fast, high-quality 3D printing with minimal setup, ready to print in just 10 minutes. The next is Number 4. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro. Precision 3D printing made simple. This 3D printer delivers an exceptional balance of performance, user-friendliness, and smart features, making it an ideal choice for both hobbyists and advanced users. Key features. Overview of Neptune 3 Pro. With a generous 225x225 by 280 mate. Multiplied by 8 11-inch build volume, it handles most printing tasks with ease. Powered by an STM32 motherboard and silent stepper motors on all axes, it ensures smooth, quiet operation, keeping noise levels down to just 47-48 decibels. Pre-assembled main components and a complete toolkit make setup fast and hassle-free. Dual gear direct extruder. The upgraded extruder is made from US 303 stainless steel with a 3:1 reduction ratio, offering powerful and reliable filament feeding. This minimizes clogs and extrusion issues, supporting high-quality prints with PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS materials. Advanced nozzle kit. The nozzle system includes a TC4 titanium throat pipe, a brass nozzle, and an aluminum heat sink for efficient thermal control. This design significantly improves cooling and reduces the risk of clogs, ensuring smoother printing. Smarter printing experience. The printer's auto bed leveling uses a high-precision sensor to scan 36 points on the metal platform, adjusting for any surface irregularities. Additional features like filament runout detection and power loss recovery make the printing process worry-free and efficient. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro combines precision engineering with user-focused enhancements for a seamless, smart 3D printing experience. The next is Number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4. High-precision 10K resin 3D printing redefined. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 is a next-generation 10K resin 3D printer that blends unmatched resolution with efficient design, making it a standout choice for both hobbyists and professionals seeking ultra-detailed prints. Key features. 710K HD Mono LCD, featuring a 7-inch 10K mono screen with an impressive resolution of 9024 by 5120 and a pixel size of 17x17 μm. The Photon Mono 4 offers 105% improved precision over its predecessor. This enables stunning model accuracy and intricate detailing for even the most complex designs. LighterBow Matrix Light Source. Equipped with the ANYCUBIC LighterBow Matrix, this printer ensures evenly distributed lighting to minimize rasterization and layer lines. With 1.5-second single-layer exposure, it boosts efficiency without compromising print quality. Large printing volume. The print space measures 153 multiplied by 87 x 165 mm 6.04 x 3.42 x 6.49, making it versatile for both small and medium-sized models. This allows users to handle multiple or larger parts in a single run. Stable and reliable performance. A redesigned build platform with laser-engraved texture enhances adhesion, reducing lifting and warping while allowing easy model removal, key for consistent, high-quality results. Improved user experience. The Photon Mono 4 is pre-assembled and calibrated, so users can start printing immediately after leveling. It also features power loss resume printing, saving resin and time in case of outages. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 is the perfect blend of resolution, reliability, and user-friendliness, an ideal 3D printer for precision-driven creators. The next is Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D Printer, multicolor printing made easy. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer is a compact yet powerful machine designed for speed, precision, and vibrant multicolor printing. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this printer offers advanced features to enhance your 3D printing experience. Key features: high-speed precision. With an acceleration of 10,000 mm/s2, the A1 Mini delivers fast and precise prints without compromising quality. Enjoy smooth, detailed models in record time. Multicolor printing with AMS Light. Unlock endless creativity with multicolor 3D prints using the AMS Light system, sold separately or as a combo. Switch between filaments effortlessly and bring your designs to life with vibrant hues. Full auto calibration. No more manual adjustments. The A1 Mini automatically calibrates bed leveling, Z offset, and more, ensuring perfect prints every time. Active flow rate compensation. This smart feature adjusts filament flow in real time, preventing under or over extrusion for flawless, smooth prints. Compact and user-friendly. Despite its small size, the A1 Mini packs powerful performance, making it ideal for homeschool or office use. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer is a game-changer, combining speed, precision, and multicolor capabilities in a compact design. Whether for prototyping or artistic creations, it delivers exceptional results with minimal effort. Upgrade your 3D printing experience with the A1 Mini today. The next is Number 1. Creality Ender 3 V3 Set 3D Printer. Speed, simplicity, and reliability. This 3D printer is a high-speed, user-friendly 3D printer designed for efficiency and precision. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, this printer delivers fast, reliable, and hassle-free printing. Key features: faster and smoother printing. With a 250 mm/s print speed and 2500 mm/s2 acceleration, the Ender 3 V3 SE outperforms many competitors while maintaining excellent print quality. Its intuitive UI displays real-time leveling and printing progress for a seamless experience. Effortless setup and auto-leveling. Assemble in just 20 minutes with 3 simple steps. The CR Touch auto-leveling and strain sensor for auto Z offset ensure a perfect first layer every time. No manual adjustments needed. Reliable Sprite Direct Extruder. The proven Sprite extruder handles PLA, PETG, and TPU with ease. With over 500,000 units shipped, it's a trusted choice for smooth, clog-free printing. Ultra-stable dual Z-axis and Y-axis. The dual Z-axis with belt synchronization eliminates wobbling, while the dual 8mm steel linear Y-axis rods ensure long-lasting stability and precision. Why choose the Ender 3 V3 SE? Blazing fast printing without sacrificing quality. Beginner-friendly with auto-leveling and quick setup. Strong, stable frame for consistent results. Versatile extruder for multiple filament types. Perfect for hobbyists, educators, and professionals, the Ender 3v3 set offers speed, simplicity, and reliability at an affordable price. Upgrade your 3D printing journey today, so this is the best option for you to buy.